Senifika kule age le anifuni ngoba niphathile ukuzinduku nobaba munjalo naye mawumniki mdala ke naye gogo lozayo manje uzasithi ugogo but then yeah batshele masibelane nikhuluma ungasabi because mina ngikho lapho ngiyeza
Neyinwele besizenza la ekhaya nizinzipho besiba nezipho ezinhle inwele simasajwa abomkhulu bagunde
manje dukunda umbono ukuthi kuseyibhunga
ke ngayikhethela lo
yeah into ekhona ukritisa nje kuphela bazodlimala akanamali uMatomela ngiyakwazi mangandibonisa kwaMatomela futhi ningathuka kabi the local NGO not receiving funding or sponsorship or any help from the private sector, also from the government. Yet these people like need this function. Many people depend on it, especially abantu abadala, abakhubazekile, and many more in need. The community is so depending on it. That njengoba ingatholi lokuza usizo kuba nzima ukuthi nayo isize umphakathi. My name is Reverend Tulane Mavujimbo Chamona Koroni Dugandi Zama Zvenisi Andoita aka The Champ. Today's story is not the beautiful one in a way. But ike angambi ngiwani ngihamba nomama uzachaza ukuthi ubani and why namhlanje basibizile lana ndayanduna mama ninjani
khona njani
siyaphila njengoba ngishilo ke mina nguRavel Ntulwane umama ngubani
mama Tomela
okay ungathi ungaphakamisa izwi kancane mama
Tomela
okay yeah so okay. Yeah, you can.
Martin, your organization there,
yeah.
It's calling 2001, 10 June.
Oh.
Got a young slow, as my information. Notice my connotes.
Okay.
And it's calling 2001, 10 June. October 2002 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Baba kwanda department founder. Was founder in 200,000. What the equipment lo mali. Then ngisahlala ke thina ke slow sebenza kunjalo. Aphinda futhi 2006 was founder again ke mali ukuthi sibe singahola ke apho.
Okay.
2006. Yaqala i-organization. Asinikeza la imali ukuthi sikwazi ukubhadala i-rent. Masithatha xa ngibhadala i-rent apho kwamkhulu. Mkhulu wasikhupha. Wathi masiphume kwakhe ngoba asibeke cinga ba uzondidla. Ngoba asibandhlakaniphile. Andidleki.
Yeah.
Wasixotha ke. Ndaqala ndafonela utata ekhaya ndimcela ukuthi apha indawo seyiphelile. Kuqala kwaphela indawo emoto. Wabiza ukuthi moto maybe ekhaya wasenzela igarage eMasenke ekhaya wakuthenga phela abantu abadala ukuthi abantu abadala nje phela nje bangapi bayi 35 isibani sizobe sinabantu abadala bayi 35 wathi ke no buya nabo ekhaya ngoba umsebenzi wakho lo umsebenzi wakho ngowami buya nabo apha ekhaya ndibuyile nabo asendifika pha ekhaya ndabona ukuthi anisa abantu aba ndiyaqala zafuneka i-toilet yabo asasibe nayo alala nje ukuthi sinothatha sifuna ukuthi kodwa kunale ingxaki ekhona aphinde imoto yavuka ekuseni yabalanda emakhayeni abo bafike bahlala apho ngaphakathi center nathi kwame endlini igarage ngahla leyo kwagqiba phela igarage sigqiba kwakhe igarage ekhaya lapho ndihleli khona ndahlala kodwa ingqondo yaphumule sihlala abangaka 35 yabantu
yeah it's too much especially mabadala
ngeke ugcine kwakho kalo ndaphuma ngeza apha mphethe uNosipho lo Andile Dastile ndasehleni sihambeni siye kukuzofuna kwami le ndawo le asifumana le ndawo le athi mina asakheni kule ndawo le abantu abadala ndicela nimhlangabeze ngama-100 rand yabona sebabaninzi abantu abayi-35 hayi baninzi ndathi bayibethekele imali leyo abantu abadala ngekusasabeza nayo kuyothenga kwethu i-structure esi ngakho le ndawo yabo le abantu abadala babuye bangena hlala phakathi ngapha sasebenza-ke nabo bathi kusuke bafuna bavakasha bakwa-DST bafika apha ndihlanganisile phaya bekoli-kitchen apha bekungabantu abadala apha kwakwi-ofisi lam bafika
baka-DSTV
DST
Department of Social Development.
Oh, okay.
babefika lapha umuntu awandibonisa kumlungu wayekhona phakathi kwabo umlungu yena waphuma wenza kum wafika wathi mama Tomela ndathi mama wathi indawo yona uyakhile inkulu kodwa injani yazi isithulu kwakungekho lo mnyango lo kungekho mawindo la nje kodwa sile phakathi apha thina wathi lo muntu amfazi omlungu wathi ngibona ukuthi mina xa ikhona i-funding sikhawulezisa uzama ukuthi ufake amawindo ngoba kushoda amawindo kule ndawo le angicebisa kanjalo yena yandathatha imali ka-DST ndayothenga amawindo
DST yane DSD okay
ndafaka le festile le ndafaka nale ngemali yabo.
So mama kahle nina ifunding yenu kahle ni depend on government khona ama private business like private companies bona bani found you never receive funding from them.
So ngithethele kuwe dad ngiqala ngithethe ngathi no mina ngabona umuntu ngawe nje apha ngenayo azowangicebisa kum bengangena abantu balapha nawe futhi ngiyaqala ukubaka nje uneminyaka ulehlela emakakula ngoku nami zaphuza wena usiswa yini utubona bangena ngaphakathi namhlanje
into angisho nginotice ukuthi it's been long mangidlula normally like uma 3 years back mangidlula bengizothi mangidlula ngestrada la ngizo mhlambe nihlabelela ezingoma zenu zabo Yesu uyabona icawela ingenile ke ngoku and then xa ndibuyayo le phansi ndifumana noba ugqwele abantu abadala apha ende bayahleka kuyanqokolwa kumnandi yabona then I love this thing then bandixela ukuba no i-NGO kaMama Tomela and then usiza abantu abadala mina ke bengingakwazi ke ukufanele ukuthi nawe umdala
kodwa okusalayo uma uthonyiwe kulo umsebenzi wenza so saqhuba le department kodwa kwazofika lo nyaka siphakathi lo nyaka kwabona abakosehlukana nabo
2020 kwababevana center.
Okay, yazi ulokuza usiphoka sisazokhuluma naye uyabona like makhuluma nami so angeke ngikubambezele mama ne ngifuna if you have to uncedo olufunayo mhlawumbe kumuntu obukele lokuzeni ekhaya iluphi any help like anyone who can like help you bakusize ngani and ba contact kanjani
ngefence ba
fence okay
thatha miwile ngapha aphelele phansi
okay
and then ngoba akho mali akusebenzeki andithatha thuba lithi kodwa ke ngifuna ukuthi qaba phana pha abantu abezi apha esibani babe baza xa ngabe bebuza ukuthana kama food parcel baza ngena ke nangoku besine hub ngena ke abantu abadala besofuna ukufana loncedo wami thilikwazi ngabe yaphela imisebenzi yethu bahamba gogo bahlala emakhaya nangoku mamsimani bizenje uba azoba khona for inansikayo fakazi bethu ukuthi msisebenza kanjani apha ekhaya.
Okay. Yazi kubabukeli lapho lokuzeni ekhaya ne and anyone whom this video will reach niyazwela nane uma ngiyambuza ukuthi mhlawumbe makunomuntu obukelile angasiza kanjani ane Nkosi yami ngiyamuzwa uthini ukhuluma ngefence yena indaba imali akayithinti uyabona uyithinta kancane so mina ke ngizomkhulumela ngoba nami ngumhlali la njengoba ngisho ukuthi la ngidlula la ngibone kwenzakalani intoni ane and ezo zinto mazingayenzeki like manje basenza le video le kunabo gogo nabomkhulu ukuthi bahlala babodwana la ezindlini la and this center ikibalande nangimoto mayingabalandi time na two they go and check up upon them ukuthi like banjani not ukuthi banjani they check nokuthi badleni bageziwe na iba ikliniki intoni so wena obukele ekhaya you can donate ngokudla nangempahla ikakhulukazi ngemali abantu abakithi basaba ucela imali you can't run this kind of institution without money kufuneka i-toilet apha for all these years labantu benza lelo this thing they don't have ama basics yangithola I know somebody uzothi awumara musumamuthi bakhe bathole 200,000 if umamele kahle this is dating from 2002 to 2006 and then inamba le ayibalayo ukuthi like labo koko bayi 32 ini ba fluctuate sometimes they can be even like 40 or more uyabona then ziningi izinto ukuthi like these people like bazenza ukuthi like they angazi ukuthi ukumama ngakhulu but ngizobiza ulokuza undodakazi ngoba usemusha and then ama challenges ukuthi yani uyabona ngoba ukhulela kuyo lento wayena asichazisele ukuthi like imaphi and then mhlawumbe nosizo olukuthi like lubanzi like liyafuneka iluphi uyathola I mean nami I can only say so much yabona mama ngcono ngikhulume nolokuza nondodakazi yani then mhlawumbe ne nama caregiver ngoba ngiyama caregiver wakho ngoba ngiyabona bakhona right ugogo okay okay mhlawumbe ngiqale ngogogo ne indwela mdala ke nayo gogo lozayo manje uzasithi ugogo but then ithi ugogo eze sikhulumisa nogogo uthini
ugogo leza ngiphambe waye ngasenza
naye ngasenza okay all right ngizombiza okay mama sekumele ukuthi uhambe uphethe induku ke manje yazi mase nifika kule age le anifuni kwamba niphathile ukuze induku noba bamunjalo naye mawumnika induku akayifuni uje lusemutsha manje ngihlelile noMasimelane uomunye abantu ukuthi basebenzisana nomama ngiright angisho or uzala center
ngize center
okay mara manje akasezi so it is uMasimelane ukuthi waye ngasesontweni Masimelane awusesontweni wena wangasesontweni
lokhulumayo noMasonto waSimelane obehamba la isibanisethwe
okay
inkinga ukuthi ke ngabe ngisahambe isibanisethwe to ngesikhathi se-COVID ama-social worker ke athi awasabafuna abantu abadala esenta sase siyayeka kuhlala emakhaya base bayinqamula ke imali into enkulu nje esikhala ngayo imali sicela imali ngoba ayikho into ongayenza ngaphandle kwemali sicela nje ukuthi bazame ngemali
batshele Masimelane khuluma ungasabi because mina ngikho lapho ngiyeza
sicela bazame ngemali ngoba ayikho into ongayenza ngemali sizokwazi kuze center esenta sikhululekile asibi na stress ngoba manje nje njengoba sihlele emakhaya sine stress abaningi abantu abadala kwathi bangathi kuthiwa bahlala emakhaya bashona abaningi bashona besicwele thina la kulendlu kwathiwa ngathiwa nje umuntu omdala akasafuneka eCenter bashona abantu sasingcwaba nje inyanga nenyanga singcwaba umuntu omdala ngoba mayihlele ekhaya sibala amasenke sibala amakapa istress sivuke sicela nje ukuthi sibuye eCenter basinika imali sizokwazi ukubuya eCenter nomama ngeke asithwale yedwa
Nkosi yami.
ngemali yakhe angeke akhona ukuthi uzokuthela ipetrol asithengele ukudla angeke akhona siyacela nje ukuthi basizame nje ngemali funding nje Nkosi yami siyacela
So okay Masimelane manise maningeze eCenter niyabhubha
bese hawu sekuyafeka ngoba uba lomasenka ngithi uma ngibuza nje ukuthi amakapa endlu yami mangakho ngakutshela ngoba ngiyawabala ngisuka le ngiyele ngiphinde ngasusele ngiwasele stress sithi bhe
oh so la
kanti masila siyaxoxa sihleke njengoba usho ukuthi bothi mondlula ufuce kukhulunywa la kuhleko nenkinga awubi nazo mawula besiba nazo uma ungena nje ejardini qale
namakhehla khona nyana lehlangana la namakhehla uyeza mzukwane ngiyabanjwana khona la eduze la
phela bomkhulu anti bakhona
ngoba ngizwile usisi kyo nje ngathi nama style ayenzwa la ngifike la
awu neyinwele besizenza la khaya nisinzipho besiba nezipho ezinhle inwele simasajwa abomkhulu bagunde
Maqeda ukunda umbono ukuthi kuseyibhunga
ke ngayikhethela lo
Masimelane I don't know like if you were but I think there is a story say nyawo ungathi ke wahlutshwa yiloko
zombili
then boza la ekhaya la
ngabe ngizala ekhaya bengikezwa nala ekhaya vele
bageza inyawo
lo lwaqala khona la ekhaya ngahamba ngayisibhedlela lePhulusong eTsakani ngabuya bebengeza la ekhaya loze loba ngcono nalo lwaqala futhi khona la ngihamba la eCenter bengahlala ekhaya
mawufika la bakuwonga la
geza la ekhaya loze loba right
indaba ezimnandi lezo ntombi yami man wa old manje
73
my age is gone mara usemuhle iminyaka nje ivayile usemuhle bona umusmayila amehlo wakho isenhle le ntombi so iloko ziCenter like wangathi ngabuyele lokuzeni esimeni sayo yazi ngesikhathi mangidlula la ngokubona azi uMatomela donsi inyawo azongena la kunganamuntu ahlale kancane aphinde futhi abuyele lokuzeni ekhaya hlale ngimbone futhi uyayithanda lo mama lento le
cha sithanda lento siyacula kuyiwe emakhwayeni
hayi wena
yimi lokho ndoda kuyiwe nasemakhwayeni kuyiwe emakhwayeni siyacula nabanye abantu abadala bakwezinye indawo
okay kuba ama competition nikena wina
sinamakhaphu
hayi wena
sinamakhaphu
so manje wena ke like umkhozi wakhe yaza kusumuntu othanda ukukhuluma kakhulu wena kumuntu obukele lokuzini ekhaya what can you say ukuthi banisize ngani
hey ngicela mabengazama nje ngemali sizokwazi ukuthenga ukudla sithenge nepetrol yemoto izokwazi ukusilanda ngoba nje sihleli nje emakhaya akusinayo nale imali yepetrol azame nje umuntu nje osibukelayo olalele futhi ukuthi mangazama nje ngemali engaka mhlambe bangathi ukuqhuba
konje okay mara uzositshela lokho zinosipho ukuthi igama lenjiyo ukuthi lithini enjiyo le yala ekhaya mina igama lakho nangilaza ngisho angenzele omunye umuntu hayi man isibani sezwe ne
isibani sezwe
okay angazi mhlambe kunento ofuna ukuyeda mhlambe kulento ekhulumile because ngeke ngibabuza abantu mangaba kunento abafuna ukuyeda
ayisekho
okay ntombi yami ngizoyenza ngawo amandla wami wonke ukuthi like abantu bafinyelele la lokuza le video le nami ngiyathokoza mangibona la so lokho nidlala nabamakhetha nigijimisana lana kumnandi kunje yana angisho
ngokuyona semagamini lapha suwini
yeah amagame wani webhola
nawe bhola nawe kushanga izandla izinduku nawe ukugijima mina kodwa ngingazeke ngangena egijimeni
umkhulu waMatomela kuyibig game ikhona idlala
umkhulu le besidlala iJSK iJSK thina naye
hayi JSK umfulo lapha ngaselekando umqhamo kunento kuthiwa iJSK Sports
JSK
okay all right
insimbi eshaya izinduku lapha
you miss those days ane you miss those days ukhumbula lawo malanga lawo amalanga amnandi
bamnandi
ayike ya ukuthi bathini ngiyakhululekile nje bakhuluma nomuntu omdala mara kunento umuntu omdala ekhulumile la imali uthini uthi ayikho into ongayenza ngemali usho njalo so she wanted to say ukuthi yonke into enziwa ngemali so she was busy saying ukuthi ayikho into ongayenza ngemali but don't be mara anyway
into ongayenza ngapha
abantu baya understand ngisho iminyaka maseyile nento ezikhulunywayo ezinye but we do get the sense ukuthi uthini yabona so yeah you know what ngoba ngila ithi mhlambe ngikhulume bathini na ma member we bathini istaff sala ekhaya abantu ukuthi abasizi banisiza ngisho yeah labo sisi lapha yeah bosi ngicela one eze la phambili angimind ke mina nginelanga lonke ngingangena like nonke umunye ngipha ama 5 minutes izanto mzangu
ukhumule lo
ngikhumule lena ngikhumule ngiyakhipha ithi awuzweke yeah diskiphe le shandisile into okufaka lo munye ufika oza ntombe mhlophe idla silenda sama catalog silenda uzala ungalili mama ingathi ufuna ukulila ungalili kuzawulunga yeah andazi nokuba kuyawulunga nini kodwa themba libika sinalo yabo so specifically like umsebenzi wakho kwakuyintoni apha or intoni apha ukubahlambisa ukubaphekela what was your task okanye yonke insipho yawasho bewenza konke
ufumana iqhekwazana elingenamncedi maybe sometimes iqhekwazana hlala lodwa yahlamba hlambeli washini if akho umuntu oyenzayo washini umklinele nasendlini uhambe eright atyile selipilisi
okay konje sorry konje besikuphi before ngisukuma ngiyilungisa into engilungisayo
akhala besidibile
besigqibile okay mamakhe ngiyabona ufuna ukuspend isikhathi sami nawe ufuna ukuselela amanzi all right okay ke ayike ithi ngithole mhlambe any of you can come usisi ubani
ujabulile Simelana
Jabulile Simelana okay all right Simelana ufuna ukumthelani babura vele
engifuna nje ukusho ukuthi sibanisezwe ngisazile ngifika 2008 ngisibonile sibanisezwe sisebenza until nami nga-end up sengifaka i-CV ngoba ngangithanda ukusiza bogogo ngithanda lo msebenzi so engakusho ukuthi sicela imali ke ukuze sibanisezwe siqhubeke silungiswe sibe indawo eright yokusebenzela kahle engakusho
ngiyabonga ntombi yami I pray I wish ukuthi kube njengobusho yeah okay sisikhulume no sisi manje ne okay all right ngiyathatha into zami ngisho Usho ukuthi asafuna ukusebenzisa afuna ukusho next ubhodle kwanele
yebo
sure okay akufani ukhiphe TV yabo sisiyoza ngi wena kumele ube ngokuprepare kahle ngale imbatha kusana ndaba ke ngizoyenza khona la sifake le shandisi la azweke le shandisi masibeke la yenze ni case mhlawumbe ungakhala ngisho ukhala ungawusi into zami ngibekele ukhala lapho demara izinto ngisho okay we still on it indaba yala esibani sezwe ukuthi NGO yase Makagula esiza kakhulu lokuza umphakathi waseMakagula like yonke sometimes even nabasezonke abanye abantu ke sibabone like bazela sasuye kwenze njani yabona so now ngihleli nosisi la mokuye noma up and down wala ekhaya ke lona ke yabona uyaba driver labo gogo uyindlini zabo uyenza ntoni makubacoshwe kuphi nje uma bekakhuluma ukuthi labaqashe khona abaqoshiwe before beza la uyu umuntu bekayibhekana lezo zimo lezo mama ke ungatshela ababukeli ukuthi ubani
Ngibulise kuwe Dadoravele
ndawo yanduni
egameni lenkosi Yesu Christ bulise nabasebenzi besibane sezwe nogogo nomkhulu nomphathi wethu Mama Domela ngelihle igama nomfelo mvukelo uKristu igama uSiphokazi wakwaMatomela
yeah
ndingo admin stroke driver besibane sezwe
okay I think they must make you istrategy zihamba njani isihamba njani kuba khona yini kune director kune yini chairperson intoni so wena they must ngoba usemncane umama lesitulo sakhe kumele asiyehle leso uyini umama director manager lo director manager ne umama ngiyamdimota
Nkosi
mama kumele ayehle sekamdala umama because enye into ezinye izinto ze-funding ne angisho izinto zi-online manje yathola so abantu abadala mhlawumbe kumele ubhalwe iletha ntoni ne gone those days yabona so mawuzo babheke kulo kuze ukhompyutha amehlo wasebenzi nokuya kuphi yabona nalama button advance kabaxake maningi kakhulu yathola and also i-mobility with age uluza imobility asakwazi ukuhamba ukuyaphi ukuyabona unlike Moses emncane and fresh njengawe uyabona yeah so kumele kube nibe ne-internal struggle ukuze ekhaya lapha nomama ukuthi at least kungena igazi elisha uyabona yeah but anyways angikho lapho into esikuyo la ukuthi how affected are you like kulosimo sokuthi organization like ikuso and more especially knowing exactly ukuthi umama lento uthanda njani yabona because yena ke noma ngakhuluma ngendaba zabo bathini ze formality yakho ne structure into ekhona kuye uthando lwalento le you can't take it away from her yabona uyilento vele kwayena yabona so maybe like mambona izinto zingahambi kahle ukuthi like ikwenzani like lento le yabona
okokuqala umama njenge visionary eyalomsebenzi
yeah
uqale ewuthanda and uqale ephuwa inkosi
yami
so usebenzile ebunzimeni up until ufika ixesha lokuthi singafandwa waqhubeka nawo unjalo ekhula nawo and the more ke uqhuba umsebenzi okuphatha not only umuntu omdala kube khona ne staff then there is a community then there is indawo ezikufandayo leso iba stress ngokwaso nje emntwini. So bese kufumaniseke ngokinto ukuthi kulomsebenzi osebenzayo kuba khona kama critics ngoba awukusoze bekhona umsebenzi omhle ongena critic.
Yeah.
Wonke umsebenzi une critic.
Yes.
Nama critics ayadla emntwini, ayadla egazini.
Yeah.
Nobunzima bomuntu omdala ekhaya njengobetshilo ugogo Simelane ukuthi xa besemakhaya bane stress.
Yeah.
I-stress sakhe kwelinye ixesha ufumanisa ukuthi ayisiso sakhe nje ukuthi emdala. I-stress sabantwana akahlala nabo ekhaya.
Ndakantoni.
I-stress somakhelwane nazo zonke izinto ezingaze zimphathe kabuhlungu umuntu. So ezo zinto ezo xa zifika ugogo akazufika zihlale kuye, umkhulu akazufika zihlale kuye. Uzafika futhi aphinde funeka adlale i-role of being the counselor.
Yes.
Emntwini omdala.
Yes.
No matter what, phinda adlale i-role yokuba ngumama kwi-staff sakhe.
Yeah.
So any situation idla egazini kuye. Ezusitsho sithi sekekhulile. Akakhuliswanga ukuthi ukhulile, ukhuliswe ukuthwala umsebenzi. Once uthwala umsebenzi ongaka ngoba awupheleli kugogo, awupheleli kwistaff. I-community umuntu osuka ngaphandle elambile xa kefika ngaphakathi esibani fanele laphume ethole into yokudla.
Yeah.
Besingasakhethi ke ukuthi lo ngumuntu omdala. Bese sibonelela wonke umuntu odinga ukubonelelwa. So ezo zinto ezo zizinto ezenza kube nzima.
Yeah.
Ngoba uyajonga ubona ukuthi akasathwela ngekhaya lakhe kuphela.
Yes.
And ikhaya lakhe ufumanisa ukuthi alimsindi kakhulu, into emsindayo isibani sezinto ayithwele ngoba ngumsebenzi wakhe.
Yes. As in, you spoke like mouthful. So mina into ebengicela maybe like ni cele like ebathini ebantwini la kumuntu ukuthi ubukela ne which ngiyazi wena particularly you didn't want that yabo ukuthi ube umuntu ukuthi maybe like ngicela usizo. So I told you ukuthi phela this is not about you, it's about abantu abadala nabanye abantu abakhubazekile. So ngepocket ka mama even combined with eyakho nika baba nika ngeke izilungi baningi labantu abeza la yathola yabona. So you do need logo an extra hand yabona. And le ndawo le wonke umuntu uyazi le ndawo le. I think it's the first NGO yala eMakakula if not mistaken, or first NGO ukuthi or NGO ukuthi yaziwa nga wonke umuntu lokuze neMakakula. It's not like this one mhlambe like just mashumela nje overnight. Le into ukuthi like it's legit like yaziwa. And I never heard anybody mhlambe kuma critics ke athi mhlambe ini mama Tomela udla imali abantu bayarojwa yabona yathola. We don't know le rumor leyo I exist yabona. Into ekhona ukuthi abantu basanokhala ukuthi sihlulekile ukuthola ukutsha xa siphaya nomhlanje, but it's due to what there is no funding yabona yathola. So you can appeal maybe like kubabukeli uthi mhlambe like bangasiza like ingane yathola.
Okay. Into yokuqala sirana ama programs awu2.
Okay.
Sirana i-service center which is a luncheon club. Le abantu abadala belandwa khona emakhaya ekseni bezela ngaphakathi e-center bafumane i-breakfast, bafumane i-lunch, bafumane spiritual support.
Oh, okay.
Because kuba ne spiritual support group.
Oh.
So bafumana all those services. Then siphinde futhi sibe ne service yabantu abadala bizwa ukuthi home based care.
Okay.
leyo ama caregiver aphuma la ekseni ayonakekela umuntu omdala ekhaya. And abantu bethu before sivalwa they were 114 ogogo nomkhulu bala eMagagula. We were servicing 114 yabantu abadala, and not wonke umuntu omdala was under our service.
Okay.
But labo babevumile ukungena they were 114 combined.
Not le 35 kunomuntu usisi beyakhuluma nge 35.
Umama i35 waqala ngayo.
Oh, is that okay?
Yabantu abadala ngaphakathi. Then the department yathi it's 40 yakhuphula to 40 ukuthi singaphekela abantu abayi40. Department of Social Development. Then i60 yay approve ukuthi 60 eyokunakekelwa ekhaya. But ngenxenye ye demand yomsebenzi sadibana nathi kwelinye ixesha sifuna ukuthi la ngaphakathi sina more than 40 or ngaphandle sina more than 60. Hence ndisithi bagcine sebethi 114 abantu abadala. I-appeal yam ila for i-service center right now i-structure sethu sesiyawa asisekho kahle. I-structure esakhiwa ngama 100 rand wogogo babe nomkhulu babe 35 ngo-2010. So i-department yabona ukuthi no asisekho sihle, basixela kanjalo ukuthi i-structure sethu asisekho sihle ukuthi singahlala abantu abadala. Then baphinda bathi they don't even approve umkhukhu.
Yeah.
And this is our first structure esasakha besides i-container le esayidonathelwa i-quick space.
Yeah.
Then sathi sizabamova ke sibase e-containing. But still i-container lincence izeke. But they don't want even a container. They want a structure built external, of which ke leyo into enzi
department ibikonje leyo
social development.
Department of
Social Development.
Department of Social Development. Nifikile lana ngisho. And then nawubona lo mkhukhu wakho ilokuza lokwaza ngisho. Vele mubi ke lo mkhukhu. Yebo. Uyazi wena umama sibeleni bekakhuluma la ngamakapa awakhe. Lawa ngwabala nje bangibhekele iCamera le. La makapa ayi1 2 and then lilana ngathi libambe ilokuza umnyango lapha is almost 3 yathola. And then the space place is about mangisibhekile 5 by 6 meter. And yathola ama container now ama container kula donatiwe wele ngeke sikhale kakhulu ngawo ngoba donatiwe I think mahala badothile mahala ngisho quick space ngisho quick space donate ama container niwafuna ama container nina department of what akufuna okuningi ke akela nabogogo bethu la eMagagula i-building structure ukuthi like nikhuluma ngayo. It's very expensive to build with bricks, cement, all those raw materials, cement, you can name it, slab and don't. It's very expensive, Ramambed. But it's happy abantu lokuza imali yokwakha ngestina because if bathi kubokoko in order ukuthi sakhe ngestina ke masi njengoba 100
114.
ngiyena nje phela umzekelo ba 114 bathi okay ikhehla nekhehla malikhuphe noma i10,000 we nkosi yami akushisa kwakho kumatomela manje lana kuthiwa udla imali zabantu yabona because that is like it is what it will take yabona. So please department of what yes mangibonga ukuthi indawo mani ibonile ukuthi ayikho conducive for abogogo abantu abadala maybe ingaba due to weather or ntoni yabona lawo ma element lawo and then then ni advise ukuthi no asifundi bahlangana endaweni yeso but lilonke abantu abadala ukuthi akunasikhathi manje bengizohamba la ngiyoba document abagogo abahlele ezindlini ukuthi bafuna ukuza la baningi uyathola. So please kulo mabudget wena singawazi fakani lokuzakhani lokuza indawo lamanye yakhani ndafuta niyakhela umatomela niyakhela labanye abagogo abaningi uyabona. So mina that's my appeal to i department for isibani sezwe now sozimali ke engakwazi because there are brothers and sisters out there abaphethile ukuze inyungu. Do something. But you know, le message mangibhekisa to abantu bakithi iba kuhlungwana kancane ngoba you know I'm a photographer, so ama client wami like iningi lawo abantu abeyimali. When our people like but in pay or give charity, it's a thing of rare where you'll find them bazo donator emalokishini, where you'll find them bayenza bafanda or like baphana ngezinto eziright kuma-charity or ama-NGO waselokishini. In fact uzobezwa like makuhlangene kulamabhrayi wabo nalama-charity abadonethelayo ukuthi like awuyingamla bakhuluma inkulumo njengokuthi mina I won't take my money to townships because the township they just like eating my money. Leyo nto leyo ingizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ama-organization aselokishini asiwachasi asiwasizi, but we forever criticizing like them. And to extend my point kule nto engiyikhulumayo, ngwana lama-NGO la wenu owezilukuza owesibhutsho owasesilungwini, istaff sakhona abantu bakithi wrong. Mawufika lapha istaff abantu abamnyama yibo abaphimpa labantu yobenza ini and they love what they doing. Bakhona malini labantu lapha elokuze leyo staff sakhona. They are earning 3,000, 4.5. Khona esinye ndichikolo chakanje abatsakofaswa thi when was that? 2008? No. During World Cup 2010. Khona bengiyenza la eJimstina ne bengiyoshuta khona i-NGO yakhona ne. Ama-NGO abelungu anemali. Ayikho lento kuthiwa i-9 okwanele profit what. Those students like money kakhulu kuyale. I went there ngiyoshuta khona umntana uTsegofaso umntana wenye lokuza intombazana she's our friend. Bengiyoshuta khona. I'm speaking with this woman. Usebenza laphana ukuthi lo sisi lo akhuthele kangaka in that woman, she said to me, umntanami naye ula ufunda labona laba disabled what and so akaholi lo sisi laphana uyezwa. Lo sisi lo ubhadala ukuthi umntana wakhe naye is receiving care on that like button organization. That organization inama sponsor left, right and center. That's what. Nyela pamhlambe like guy 5, if not guy 6. I never get to meet niggas why. Yeah, but mara bengazi like logoza sisotize ukuthi like she's an Afrikaner like origin. That's what. Yes. Ingamla. Into inemoto inana ukudla. Oh, kuyadliwa laphana man. Gachiwa pampondini. Yeah, but all is well. Yeah, even your abalokuza like abantu bakini laba, I'm thinking even your superstars, ama-actors and ama-actress, ama-artists, when they donate, nina ama-artists abakuli nani yeka lento yokuthi intotela izinto lokuze engamleni niyazi ngathi usimo selokishini sinjani, yazi ngiyangisa lento lena yazi ngasikhathi sorry yazi yangiqabukisa lento le because the artists that I know abadonate abadonate lokuze ebalungwini umuntu azuthi ukhulele espray endaweni so kunjani njani umama kuphi kubusana labantu kanje bani wenza they know isini into abayikhona ukritisa nje kuphela bazodla imali akanamali uMatomela ngiyakwazi mangandibonisa kwaMatomela futhi ningathuka kabi akana next lo mama yabona lo mama into yakhe is because uthandwa nalo for ilokuza for community. So please on this one bengeke if like angiyazi mhlawumbe ngizokhuluma into engayazi. I know these things izifika la emaGagula la ukuthi labantu abazimisela ukuthi basiza abantu yabona as much as ingabhiliveli into ezenza uChristianity na mara religion ingabhiliveli kuwo mangidlula ngithola abaqola into zabo zaboJesu inini it doesn't harm anybody kumnandi kunjani izalukwazi kujabuliwe man. Help this organization ningadonate kimi yathola ngizofaka i-account number yabo mhlambe i-account number la kule NGO. I'll put the account number yale NGO kulokuza ngizoyifaka lapha la ngifake nama contact ngizofaka ama contact wakho sisi umuhle bazofuna ukushayela futhi la madoda inkosi yami yazi lena ngazi ukuthi inkosi yami. Okay my gents usisi nimonile makazongena la uKevin shares and so on ngicela share udonate share udonate ke kuzoba ukuthi bakufaka or bakufaka yabona hayi bathi ngizoyifaka ilokuza inamba kasisi ngizofaka nika mama ane and then in account number anyone ofuna udonate ngelokuza ngemali imali ayizi kimi I have nothing to do with it akufuna ukwazi ukudonate emalini ufaka ntonini ngicela nima donate and then what else ikhansela yethu uThabiso nkosi yami uzongiyamhlupha umfana wami Boyzini ngiyazi ukuthi asileya ngilandela ku YouTube le channel elandela ne ngicela uziphi isikhathi ubavakashele la ilokuze esibane sezwe uzokhuluma no sisi lo lokuze ekhuluma naye maybe advice would maybe like funding bangayithola kanjani maybe like from the government yathola and then food bank kune food bank la ngathi bathi kuphi wherever la kuna food bank wakhona now like help man sizana
sitting dry stock.
Okay.
Dry stock, which is pampers for abantu abadala, diapers.
Okay.
Or linen saver, the hygiene stuff, Savlon, gloves, masks, face masks. There's a whole lot. Cleaning materials.
Why sabu khuluma ngemali abantu bala baqala lefuna ifunding nemali yafuneka
okay benza zama ukucover indawo ye dry stock ukuthi manje dry stock ngikhuluma ngani
ethi ngiphuzela amanzi lento yenu le okay I'll use this big glass now
ngibuye kwindaba yama food parcels abantu bakuthi bayafa indlala umnotho umenge endlela engayaziyo so ukutya kuyadura usually sinikezela ama food parcels ay60 per quarter so manje this is the second year singanikezeli food parcel kumuntu omdala and ibhlungu ngoba kuloma food parcels lawo bekukhona la esiwanikezela the community kukhona abantu abangathathi intweni abaninzi abalapha eMagagula so ayasiza kakhulu ama food parcels
yeah
and then sidinge imali to renovate transportation yabantu abadala kungoku second year abana choir second year abayi ku sports and can you imagine ke uhlele endaweni eyi1 not exercising because leyo nto ibibenza ukuthi bahlale be physically fit so manje if there is no exercise akakwazi umuntu omdala ukuthi angaba strong aphile vele impilo izo deteriorate
yeah
and then there is transportation to esibhedlele to ema clinic to ama pay points because mangamalanga omholo they driver to endaweni lapho beyohola khona
ngikubonile mhlawumbe kuhlezi ngikubona
and then two lama be license aba license besazi into ukuthi every month make qeda uhola uzephethe incwadi yakhe ye funeral policy
Yeah.
ukuthi senze sure ukuthi up to date. So mayigqiba ukhola kubhatalwa ipolice. Right now kule ndawo endihleli kuyo andazi ngubani ose active andimazi ngubani olapsile. Because manje I cannot guarantee. So zizinto i-challenges esibhekene nazo kakhulu lezo. I-structure, food parcels, i-dry stock, imali for i-petrol ma day to day.
So Nina, how many years ningatholile ukuze in terms of funding?
2 years now.
2 years now. And then le funding benjile beyincinci.
Ibincane bingenzi everything bekufanele ukuthi uyi-divide accordingly.
Yeah. And then there was no funding, no food parcels, no.
No funding, no food parcels, and kulo unyaka ke asikhona nokuthi sikwazi ukuthi sivumele i-beauty hub ukuthi is, because the past financial year i-beauty hub beyisiza. Xa isiza ukuthi ifuna ukuzonceda abantu abadala ngama-massages, ukulungisa inwele, inzipho nako konke, besikhupha emapoketeni ethu for ukuthi sibeke amanzi, asina electricity la ekhaya.
Yeah.
So njengoba singena electricity nje fanele sithenge igas. Imali egas, ibhodla legas li-280. Fanele ukhuphe epokotweni, uthenga isigubhu segas. Khupha i-R50 uyocela ugesi kwamakhelwane. Ukuthi uzoxhuma i-extension babuye abantu abadala babe serviced. Umuntu omdala yena ujabulela ukuthi uthola i-service. Akazi ukuthi behind the service kwenzakala kanjani. So lezo zinto lezo zenza ukuthi umsebenzi wethu kube nzima ukuthi siwenze. Asikwazi ukuthi bangaba sakhona ukwenza inwele or bamassage ngoba ngani ayikho imali yegesi, ayikho imali yegas.
Yes. Yazi ngisho ngisuke ngibe nama mix motions like masikhuluma like into so. But anyways I hope ukuthi kuzwakala ungabe ngathi mina ngithethisa abantu angisho like emakhaya ngapha ngiyacela ngapha ngiyathetha ngokugcina abadayi ihlanya lo baba, but anyway aniyenzeli mina niyenzela ilokuza isibanisezo yathola yabona. And the purpose of this video really it's about that ukuthi abantu basizeke. So I think it's very unless kunento mhlawumbe ufuna ukuyetha.
That's all.
Okay. Ndawo yandona. Ravelozwa lizona.